Tonight, let your spirits take wing. We're going to make an outstanding Prohibition-era cocktail known as the Aviation. As with many of my favorite cocktails, the Aviation is going to start with a chilled coupe glass. So we're going to take one before we get anything else going on. And we're going to just leave this sit here while we're making the rest of the drink. So all you need to make an Aviation is Creme de Violet, Luxardo, the gin of your choice. We're going to use the erstwhile Stonecutter spirits, and some lemon or lemon juice if you're so inclined. We're going to start out with 2 ounces of gin, something botanical. I would recommend as being your best choice. We're going to use the Stonecutters here. It's a really nice, flavorful gin. Got a lot of botanical flavors to it. So, start with that. This will give it a little sweetness, counteract the gin. Take a little of the edge off, round out the drink nicely. So just a ½ ounce of Luxardo. You'll find that about an entire lemon equals the 3/4 of an ounce that you need for this drink. So we're going to slice that. So, as I mentioned, a full lemon will yield you pretty much the 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice you need for this. So, squeeze this baby out here. Just a little bit of elbow grease. And this should give us just about what we need here. 2 things that make an Aviation really take flight, and one of them is the Creme de Violet. We're going to add a bar spoon of this. Now don't be tempted, this is a beautiful color, don't be tempted to add too much more than a bar spoon. So lest we forget that coupe glass that's been chilling all this time, we're going to empty that out. And we've got a special treat for that. Now the second really magical ingredient of this drink that makes an Aviation really take flight is a Luxardo cherry. Now I am very fond of the juice that comes along with these, so I'm going to fish out a little extra of that here. It's beautiful stuff. We're going to add that right in. This is going to really enhance the color of this drink, which is something else to begin with. As you recall, it has this kind of funky blue-gray thing going on already. We're going to take my favorite strainer here, the julep strainer. Attempt a one-handed pour of this, and just dig the way this diffuses the Luxardo cherry juice as we pour this in. Look at that drink come together. Look at the color. So there you go. Thanks for joining us to learn how to make a truly classic cocktail, the Aviation. Enjoy. Feel just like Howard Hughes.